Hello and welcome back to Softhealer technology. Today we will explore product sync functionality using Softhealer Xero Connector module. Now let's get started. Click on Xero configuration, go to the product tab. Here you can see server checkboxes for import products, export products, auto import products and auto export products. If you want to import products from Xero to Odoo, simply check Import Products Boolean, save and click on Sync Product button. Here you can see 4 records are added in product queue. View records, select and manually import from queue to Odoo. Back to the Xero configuration. In log history you can see 4 product import successfully from queue. Now for export products, click export products checkbox and here export products, it will only update product which is already existing in Xero. Here you can see 4 products exported successfully. Now if you want to export new product, simply click this auto link new product boolean then click on sync product button. Here you can see now check in Xero site. Here in the cells click on product and service. Here you can see all the product that we exported. Now if you want to auto import products and auto export products, simply check this auto import products boolean and auto export products boolean. It will automatically import products from Xero to Odoo and export product from Odoo to Xero using cron. Thank you for watching.